Hello and welcome to another edition of Kryptonite. I'm Colton and today I'm with Leo. How are you doing today?
Oh, very well, Colton. Welcome back and welcome back to everybody to our Kryptonite channel. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. So what's Bitcoin, Colton?
Yeah, for the people who are familiar with Bitcoin, this is a little synopsis of the project. At the beginning, you'll find out some more information that you may not know. But for anyone who's new to crypto, what is Bitcoin? The Bitcoin is the world's first distributed consensus-based censorship restraint and permissionless peer-to-peer payment settlement network. And essentially what that means is it operates without a central bank or administration, making it a decentralized monetary system. Bitcoin, essentially BTC, is the native currency of the Bitcoin blockchain. It is the first digital currency without a central authority.
Thank you very much, Colton. And what about history and performance of Bitcoin?
Yeah, so Bitcoin's been around for a while. Bitcoin's been here since January 2009. It is created by an unknown individual or group known as, and I'm going to butcher this, I apologize, Satoshi Nakamoto. The Bitcoin network relies on the collaboration of full nodes, miners, and developers to function effectively. Full nodes maintain a complete copy of blockchain and verified transactions to ensure their validity. Miners validate transactions through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical puzzles to add new blocks to the blockchain, which essentially is a proof of work. Developers contribute to the ongoing improvement and development of the Bitcoin network, enhancing its functionality and security. Bitcoin's scarcity is provable as there is a fixed supply of 21 million Bitcoins, making it a scarce asset. Bitcoin's currency is programmable, allowing for for smart contracts and programmable money applications. The Bitcoin network is an emergent monetary institution that arises from a social contract created and opted into by its users. The social contract is reinforced through the game theory and cryptography, ensuring the network's security and resilience. Bitcoin holds the distinction of being the first, oldest, and largest cryptocurrency in the world. Its inception in 2009 paved the way for the development and growth of broader cryptocurrency ecosystems. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and cryptographic foundations provide resistance against censorship and control. Users have full control over their funds and can engage in peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Bitcoin's impact extends beyond its monetary values such as simulating innovation and prompting discussions about the future of finance and decentralized systems. So Bitcoin halving. If you're not familiar with Bitcoin halving refers to the reduction of blocks rewarded to miners by half. It occurs approximately every 4 years as a part of Bitcoin's monetary policy. The goal is to reach the limited cap supply of 21 million Bitcoin. After 21 billion Bitcoin are minted, miners will no longer receive new supply as rewards. Miners are expected to earn revenue through transaction fees. Bitcoin halving can lead to speculation, volatility, and potential miner exits. The hashing rate may decrease and mining pools may consolidate. The Bitcoin network may experience instability during the halving period. So BTC is traded on centralized crypto exchanges. The most popular is Binance. Other platforms are xt.com or BTCX. The all-time high price was about $69,000 on November 10th, and the all-time low price was about $68 on July 6th. They have a market cap of 581 billion, total supply of 21 million, a max supply of 21 million, and a circulating supply right now of about 19.4 million. The market sentiment of Bitcoin right now is bullish.
Thank you very much, Colton. And what about on-chain data regarding to Bitcoin?
Yes. So this week in crypto had a mix of sentiments following the last week's hostile regulation actions. BlackRock announced seeking SEC approval for a Bitcoin ETF, bringing newfound hope. USDT faces downward pressure on its peg, causing imbalanced curve 3 pool. Uniswap Labs announced Uniswap version 4, extending version 3's liquidity architect. Aegean layer, a highly anticipated restaking solution, was deployed on Ethereum. Bitcoin ordinals were upgraded with inscriptions, allowing references between inscriptions. BlackRoad filed for an iShare between Bitcoin Trust and Coinbase as the custodian. BlackRock aims to break into the spot Bitcoin ETF market despite previous failures. SEC has rejected spot Bitcoin EFTs due to investor protection and market manipulation concerns, and the SEC has allowed EFTs in investing in Bitcoin future contracts. So as you can see here, here's a little bit more information on this. This will be on Twitter. This will also be in the description in our video. Feel free to click on the link to learn a little bit more about this. So traditional finance companies have followed BlackRock's lead in filing for Bitcoin ETFs, boosting market confidence. Companies such as Valkyrie, Bitwise, WisdomTree, and Invesco have filed for their own ETFs after BlackRock's filing. I'm probably going to butcher this guy's name, but Eric Balchunas estimates a 50% chance of Bitcoin ETF approvals due to BlackRock's filing. Deutsche Bank has applied for a license to offer crypto custody services. EDX Markets, a new crypto exchange backed by Citadel, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, has launched. Despite SEC regulatory challenges, Wall Street firms' increased participation in the crypto space has led to positive market response. Bitcoin's price has rallied and surpassed over $30,000. So here we're going to compare Bitcoin to Ethereum and a couple different values. So right now we're looking at the real value. As you can see, Bitcoin is up about 114% for the past month, where Ethereum is up only about 39%. The market cap dominance for Bitcoin is at 8%. The market cap dominance for Ethereum is at about 0.92%, or down 0.92%. The Sharpe ratio for Bitcoin is up about 318%, and the Sharpe ratio for Ethereum is up about 227%. The volatility is up about 50% for Bitcoin, and the volatility for Ethereum is only up about 27%. The active address account is up about 8% for Bitcoin, where Ethereum is up about 18% for active address count. The transaction volume for Bitcoin is up about 18%, where Ethereum is only at about 9%.
The latest news regarding to Bitcoin.
Yes, so as of recent, Mark Yusko, CEO of Morgan Creek Capital, discussed the implications of BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF applications for traditional finance in the crypto space. He explained that the nature of the crypto market, with periods of accumulation leading up to the Bitcoin halving event followed by speculative blow-off and overreactions. The digital assets market has grown from 0 to 1.2 trillion in the past 14 years, with Bitcoin alone according for $500 billion, highlighting the significant growth in the sector. Regarding regulations, Yusko noted that Bitcoin is regulated as a commodity and is placing gold as a base level of currency. He believes that Bitcoin as a digital gold will play a crucial role in the future of finance and underpay the transformation brought by blockchain technology. The U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has approved the first leveraged Bitcoin future ETF in the country. This ETF aims to amplify Bitcoin's return by a factor of 2 through the use of financial derivatives and other instruments. The approval of this future-based ETF is a result of the industry developments, including BlackRock's initiative to introduce Bitcoin spot ETF. Coinbase will serve as the custodian for the trust Bitcoin holdings. The impact of the SEC behavior on the crypto market remains uncertain. Bitcoin's price has experienced a rally following these events, with Bitcoin trading at about 30,000, anywhere between 30,000 and about $30,600 at the time of the writing. However, the velocity of Bitcoin transaction has declined, indicating reduced trading activity as individuals hold onto their BTC. Wu is monitoring Bitcoin's fundamental strengths indicator, which tracks various fundamental and technical indicators. He believes that Bitcoin could rise over 30% from its current value of about 30.5K before becoming overbought. The recent surge in Bitcoin's price is through the driven traders accumulating BTC during a price dip to around 25K. Wu suggests that these traders are betting on Bitcoin as they anticipate a downtrend in the US dollar index.
Thank you very much, Colton. And what about staking? Can you stake Bitcoin?
You cannot stake Bitcoin directly because it is a proof of work, but there are options to earn different types of passive income at the end of the day, Leo. So custodial platforms allow users to lend their Bitcoin to institutional clients who want to borrow BTC to short the BTC price. By lending Bitcoin on these platforms, users can earn an attractive return. Tokenized BTC can be supplied to DeFi lending platforms or other applications by wrapping Bitcoin. DeFi lending platforms and applications are based on Ethereum and offer borrowing options to users. BTC lending rates are influenced by market conditions. Lending rates tend to increase in bull markets due to high demand for borrowing crypto to short the market or leverage long positions. DeFi platform rates change daily, while custodial platforms offer a fixed APY due to long-term contracts with institutional borrowers. So as you can see here, here's the best APY that you can, return. If some of the things, Bitcoin, you get 120%. Again, you need to be very careful with this. Is it really worth it? It's your decision at the end of the day. Do your own research, get on a Discord, go on other YouTube channels, whatever it may be, but do your research and make an educated decision and see if it's worth it for you and your portfolio at the end of the day.
I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.